What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video and learning PHP. My name is QDSDani and you guys are watching my channel Croywood. Alright, so in the previous video we have shown you guys how you guys create your first form, just to put your name, and once you guys put your name you guys can submit and it goes to the dashboard. So it's still in the form, but it goes in the dashboard. So before we go ahead, and we're going to create here nice register layout like a Facebook. So, and before going that, we're going to go here and you guys type on your Google search or any other search engine Bootstrap, Bootstrap, Bootstrap. And if you see 5, that's fine, still fine. But when you go here, there is a site here, https getbootstrap.com. Okay, so Bootstrap is a styling template. It gives you guys more options when you guys create something nice like this, like a home doc example icons theme block. And if you guys not sure what is Bootstrap, you just guys go ahead and check my another video playlist. It's learn Bootstrap, so you guys can check that. And if you look at here, we're going to explore the page. You guys can do like this too, but it's more advanced. You guys can go on npm and other methods, but if you look in here, you can create with the Bootstrap all these styles here, all cool style here. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. So if you guys looking forward to go and be a PHP programmer or web developer, you guys need to know that there is something called Bootstrap, and this Bootstrap at the moment is Bootstrap 4.5. Every programmer knows how to deal with. So currently the version is 5.1 or 5.1.3 as the recording of this video. Okay, so if you come here and download, you guys gonna see there's few options for you guys to download. If you look at here, you guys can download. That's the latest. So that's the latest version. If you guys looking here, so that's compiled, download, ready to use, compiled code Bootstrap 5. So if you come here and we're gonna press download, and it's gonna download in your so we're gonna save file, and it's download is going to be downloaded in our download folder. So we're gonna wait for this one to download. Okay, so we're gonna go here in our download. This is my C folder, and once I go download, and I'm going to see this Bootstrap 5.1.3 is, I think it's downloaded. So I'm going to double click to unzip it. If you don't have WinRAR or any other RAR, so we're going to close this one. We're going to put extract to, and it says extract to, say we're going to put an extract to here, downloads, and we're going to put extract to here, and we're going to check it's already extracted. So we're going to close this. Our Bootstrap is ready, so you guys gonna go ahead and copy this one, or if you're not sure, you could just control C. So we can copy, and we go on local disk C. Okay, once you guys here at local C, you guys gonna look for program files. Alright, so once we're here, we're looking for we are here at local C. We're looking for WAMP. If you guys in WAMP, if you guys in XAMPP, you just go on a XAMPP, and I'm gonna open the file. If you're in XAMPP, you just go on htdocs, whatever folder you created, you just put inside there. And because I'm on WAMP, I'm using WAMP for PHP because I don't need to turn on and off every now and then. So we go and go www. Once you guys go to www, and you guys looking here inside the form, and the form is here, you guys just open the form, and you guys can paste your folder, the copied folder. So I have just pasted my folder. So our Bootstrap is downloaded, so we're gonna come here, and we're gonna rename the Bootstrap, and we're gonna put it just a Bootstrap. Easier to remember because you guys need to download this one in your folder, so it's a lot easier. And we're gonna create another folder. So you come here and just put a folder asset. we can put an asset because the Bootstrap is our asset, and we just put this one inside here. So that's it. You guys can do that very easy. And we're gonna come here and we see our asset, our Bootstrap here. Okay, so you guys need to include your Bootstrap. So how we gonna include our Bootstrap? So before you guys gonna come here and you put the title here on your if you guys need to put a title, so I'm gonna put a title Koraya Wood. You guys can put any other title, and now you guys need to come here and reference this one. So the Bootstrap knows, the HTML knows that you guys wanna reference this one, so we're gonna put our link, and our link is say that we are linking this file which is index to this file which is Bootstrap. So you guys look in here, we have a CSS and we have a JS. This is all JS for Bootstrap, and this is all CSS in a Bootstrap. So you guys need to reference this. So you guys look and come here, and you guys gonna put a reference, and what our reference gonna be, say we have an asset and we have a Bootstrap. So we put an asset and we put a Bootstrap. That's our reference. And you guys, once you guys create this one, you guys need to create another one too as this style, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna create another file, and it's gonna be, we're gonna go Control S for save, and we put a style .css. CSS is a cascading style sheet. That's for styling. So if you guys, whatever you guys want to do, because you guys need to do styling and a Bootstrap in one file to work. Okay, so we put the path wrong. That's a Bootstrap, and then it's going to be CSS. So what I'm looking for, this one, the first one, then this is the second one, which is this one, then this is the third one, and inside this one, so we have access to this every point, every folder till we get to this folder. So how many folders we have? We have a asset first to begin with, then we have Bootstrap, then CSS, asset, Bootstrap, CSS, Bootstrap means CSS. Okay, so looks like school should be fine, and look right here, it's working. So you look in here, all this style kicked in and looks awesome now. Alright, so now with our Bootstraps working, we're gonna create some sort of nice style. So we created earlier our style here, so we're gonna put this style also. I created this one inside here, so this one's gonna come here, and now we're gonna put another link here with our style, so we don't have to do it later on, and we put the same but this one's not inside a new folder, this one's sitting in asset, so we put asset and we put a style.css. That's what we're gonna do, style.css. And if you guys work with this is a style, if you double click and our style opens. Alright, so now with our files ready, and this video is getting longer, and I don't want to give you guys more headache. Just in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how you guys going to install Bootstrap. So in the next video, we're going to show you guys how you guys going to create a nice layout like a Facebook. And I just want to create some sort of registration and login, and I want to create some sort of dashboard or some sort of profile. So give you guys the basic foundation of how you guys going to create your social media in the future. So we're going to work on this template framework, on this little PHP framework. So we're going to show you guys slowly, bit by bit, of the different styles of the social media, how it's done and how it's created. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.